Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F4 error on your Dyson fan in 2025, don't worry. We're diving straight into how to fix it. I'm your guide to getting your cool breeze back in no time. First off, let's break down what this error means. The F4 error on Dyson fans typically signals an issue with the internal sensors or motor, often caused by things like dust buildup, overheating, or even a simple software glitch. It's super common, especially if your fan has been running non-stop during those hot summer months. Now, let's get to the good part, the troubleshooting steps. Start by unplugging your Dyson fan from the power source and waiting about 30 seconds. This simple reset can clear minor glitches and might just solve the problem right away. Once you've done that, plug it back in and turn it on. If the F4 error persists, it's time to check for physical issues. Grab a soft cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment and gently clean the air intake and filters. Dust and debris can block sensors, triggering errors like this. If cleaning doesn't do the trick, try a factory reset. Most Dyson models have a reset button. Check your user manual for the exact location, but generally, hold it down for 10 seconds while the fan is off. This will restore default settings and could eliminate any software bugs. Remember, always handle your fan with care to avoid damage. In some cases, the F4 error might point to a more serious hardware problem, like a faulty motor. If none of these steps work, it's best to contact Dyson customer support or take it to an authorized service center. They can diagnose and fix any underlying issues. By following these tips, you'll be back to enjoying that whisper quiet airflow in no time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay cool, everyone. See you in the next one.